Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the secret garden puzzle in Crimson Desert. First things first, you need to complete chapter 4 of the main story to be able to unlock this area. After you completed the last quest of chapter 4, what you'll want to do is open your map and teleport back to the Abyss Nexus connected to the Spire of the Stars. This whole area is basically complete if you're past chapter 4, so all you need to do is to make your way to the Skybridge Gate in this area. Glide towards that platform and head down until you reach the final platform where you'll find the teleporter to reach the next area. Once you're here, you'll need to complete this light puzzle where the goal is to line up the lasers and bounce the laser where it reaches the gems right over there. I do recommend investing a skill point in Force Current and Focus Shot in the Spirit Tree to make the completion of the areas easier. Control the first laser device by using your Axiom Force on the back and aim the laser on the panel just above where it was initially aimed. From this platform, what you'll want to do is head down over there to get the square piece underneath the platform. Grab this and place it on the socket right across the first platform. You can do a force current here or you can do a force palm like this. Now line up the second laser device on the panel, just behind the first laser device. If you did it correctly, the door should open and an air current will take us up. Immediately once you landed here, look at the floor on your right and attach the disconnected cables. Walk in the center of the circular platform right here, crouch, then do a force palm. Collect your Abyss artifact over there. Then you can walk back to the sky bridge and activate it so you can proceed to the next area. And that's how to solve the secret garden puzzle in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.